Also very amazing today, on the 26th of July 2023, this is Albertinkatu, Albertinkatu 20, the only staircase in this rush building, but there should have been more here.
Yeah.
It's since the alarm bell is in Swiss, it's in the chef, but outside it's in the both official languages. It's here in the Punavuori and Bergen. Helsinki has 4 schools in modernized Finland with 6 floors, built in 1970. Maybe the beginning of 1970.
Yeah.
Turned 50 years old in 2020, and it's over H18608. I love the smell in here.
Same.
Let's take 2 runs here. And we'll be expected the next year, 2024. Also, this warning sticker is in the both official languages.
Yeah.
As it should be.
Istuttiin vaikka me eteenpäin Sponhissi.
I love the sounds in this in here.
Same.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this elevator as much as we did.
That's